In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a board on Trello. Before we start, a quick note on how Trello handles this. The path to deletion begins by closing a board. Closing essentially archives the entire board, so it's out of your way. Depending on your account and the prompts you see, you may then be offered the option to permanently delete it. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on closing the board, which removes it from your active workspace and is the standard first step toward deletion. With your Trello board open, look to the top right area of the board header for the three-dot icon. This is the More Options menu. Clicking this icon opens a panel with board-level actions such as settings, members, and administrative tools. If you don't see it, make sure you're viewing the board itself rather than a specific card, and confirm that you have the right permissions. Usually, you need to be a board admin to manage closing. Once that menu is open, choose Close Board. Trello will display a confirmation prompt so you can double check that this is the right board and that you're ready to proceed. Confirm the close. After you do, the board will immediately be closed and removed from your active boards list, helping keep your workspace organized and focused on what's current. Closing a board is reversible for as long as it remains closed and not permanently deleted, which is part of why Trello uses this two-step approach. Think of closing as a safety net. If you're tidying up, archiving completed projects, or preparing to hand off work, closing keeps everything bundled and out of sight without destroying the data right away. If you do later see an option to permanently delete, treat that as final. Once a board is deleted, its lists, cards, and attachments can't be recovered. A few best practices before you close. Verify you're on the correct board, especially if multiple projects have similar names. Let teammates know you're about to close it so no one is surprised. If there's information you'll need outside of Trello, consider exporting important cards or copying key content into your documentation. This helps you retain reference material without keeping the board active. That's all there is to it. Click the three dots to open the board options, then click Close Board and confirm. You've now removed the board from your active view and you're set up for deletion if that's your next step. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Trello workspace clean and organized.